we're going to continue our video series today with solving two-step equations. This is not going to be multi-step, but only two-step equations. All right, our objective is to use one variable, and it's going to be use more than one operation. Therefore, it's called two steps. First problem, we have 5t minus 2 equals negative 32. Using opposite operations, we're going to add 2 to both sides. Remember that when you subtract a positive and a negative, you always take the sign of the bigger number. If the signs are different, you subtract. Now we're going to divide, and t is negative 6. Final answer. Let's try another one. Well, okay, next one. This problem is backwards, written backwards. You can either leave it and proceed, or you can rewrite it. Just for fun, let's rewrite it. Again, using opposite operations, that's 10 is added, so I'm going to subtract it. I'm going to drop the 4a. Opposite of multiplying by 4 is to divide by 4. And a is 2. What we can do with that 2 is plug it back into the original equation to see if it equals 18. So 4 times 2 plus 10, as you can see, this equals 18, so you are right. Great job. Next problem, basically the same thing. We're going to use opposite operations. Notice that we're always starting with the constant that we're moving to the other side. We're going to leave our x sitting right by the equal sign and move the constant. Since it's a negative 4, I'm going to add 4 to each side. Opposite of multiplying is dividing, and we are going to divide by the same number, negative 7. Now, do you remember what 7 divided by negative 7 is? It's not 0, it's negative 1. Great job. Moving right along. Here's our check it out section. 5 problems. Please write them down now. Pause me, and we will come back to work on them together. All right, thanks for coming back. Here we go. We're going to try the first problem. Let's see if you got it right. I'm going to rewrite it in an order that I am happy with. And then using opposite operations, first I'm going to move the 5.7. 7.2y, these cancel. And that is equal to 7.2. Dividing by 1.2, and y is 6. How'd you do? Did you get it right? Ooh, what's that? There we go. Okay, next problem, number 2. Set up pretty easily already, so I think I will just proceed. Instead of adding 8, the opposite inverse is to subtract. Negative 4y is negative 6. Again, remember you take the sign of the bigger number. Since negative 4 is multiplied by y, we are going to divide by negative 4. Now, when you get to this point, you do have to reduce fractions. Negative 6 over negative 4. 2 negatives make a positive. And then 6 and 4 are both divisible by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. You may stop there. You may leave it 3 over 2. You could say 1.5 or 1.5. Any of those answers is just fine with me. Number 3 is one we really haven't seen exactly before, and your teacher from last year may have taught you a little differently. Let's try it and see what happens. The 14 I need to move to the other side. Using inverse operation, I'm going to subtract 14. Drop the 3/4 a. And we have a negative 6 on the right. Now, I would suggest multiplying each side by 4. That's going to take and clear that fraction. The 4's cancel. Now it looks very simple. 3a is negative 24. The inverse operation of multiplying by 3 is to divide by 3. And a is negative 8. Just for fun, let's check this one. Take your negative 8. Plug it back into the top. 3/4 times negative 8 plus 14. 4 goes into negative 8, negative 2. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6 plus 14. And looky there, it equals 8. We're right. Right, number 4 and 5 are two problems that I would like you to finish up tonight. Try by yourself and bring back tomorrow. Don't forget to bring the check it out so that we can check it out. Good night.